Imagine navigating through classroom's new tools, mastering classroom management, and transforming every lesson into an interactive and unforgettable experience for your students. Hi, I'm teacher Nadia and welcome to our live workshops, where teaching gets exciting and hands-on. When you join our live workshops, you become part of a vibrant community of teachers just like yourself. We share ideas, tackle challenges together, and help each other grow. From dealing with shy students who won't speak up to brainstorming activity ideas to keep your lessons fun and engaging, our live workshops is exactly where you would like to be. Come and get to our workshops, no problem. We've got on-demand workshops where you can catch up anytime. After each workshop, you'll be able to find it right here on our website. Are you ready to get started? Choose the topic that you would like to join. Press Join Live Workshop, register by entering your email address, and you will be automatically added to our classroom group. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in our next workshop. Bye, and happy teaching.